Hi everyone, it's Janet, and today I'm here to show you how to put together the first aid kit from CottageCutz. Now this is a request that actually came to Sherry Wolf over at CPR. She knew I had this die, so she asked me to go ahead and show how to put it together. And so hopefully the person who asked for that followed her direction and came to see this. Here's the card I made with the finished pieces, and the next part of this video I'm going to show you how first it all gets cut out. Right here is what all the pieces look like when you get the die cut and all the pieces are laid out, and you can see there's a lot of pieces and it is potentially a bit overwhelming to know where to even start. But the first thing to do is to do the things that are quite easy to figure out, like this first aid bag. And I'm going to go through and show them all. I think they're fairly self-explanatory once you see me put them together. If you're only interested in seeing one or two of these items, just check the video description. I'll have the time that each of the items start in this video, so you can just go straight to that. Now also, if after watching this you still have some questions, don't know how I did something, just ask. And also don't forget that you can change the speed of this. You can stop it, you can slow it down, and so on through your video window when you're watching it. So if there's something you want to see closer or see again, just stop it, rewind, slow it down, and you'll be able to pick up everything you need. So sit back, relax. I've picked a nice song hopefully, and this will be a nice relaxing 5 minutes for you. Take care, I'll see you soon, and until then, keep crafting. Bye.